Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The word of the day is cruel, and I'm not going to lie, I did struggle with the concept of today's picture. So I went to trusty Twitter and Facebook and got some suggestions, and quite a few people suggested something to do with the cats and a storm and how the weather can be cruel, and I thought that was an excellent idea. Munchie happened to be standing on the kitchen counter at the time, so I've used a kind of nearly almost real-time picture of Munchie looking outside. Alice was not outside, and it is not raining and it's not snowing in real life, but in the picture. And I started feeling incredibly bad about painting Munchie as such a villain, but then I thought sometimes he is a bit of a villain, so he should be fine to cope with that. I hope you enjoyed today's painting. As always, give it a like. Thank you for watching and thanks for commenting.